Let's get to it, chat. Alright, so stretch. We took a fucking loss today, bro. I think it was a good loss, to be honest. I followed my rules and all of that and whatnot. Let me go ahead and do this real quick. Alright. So, starting off on daily time frame. In the moment, oh my gosh, am I tripping? Oh yeah. I was leaning, of course, more bearish on the higher time frame. But then I was like, dude, I realized we dumped super hard overnight, and we need some type of retrace, right? Ideally, if I want to take shorts, I want us to come to like a good retracement area, so I can short off of maybe equilibrium, maybe like a discounted, 4 hour whatnot. But then I was like, wait a minute. There's no way we're gonna pump up like 400 points and then dump down another 600 points or whatever, right? So I was like, that makes no sense. Only thing I can really take is longs to the unmitigated fair value gaps. So I was like, okay, what can I do here? I realized that we had a daily, you want to call it that, a daily rejection block. Is that a rejection? I don't know. It was a high time from rejection block area over here. Coming on these fair value gaps, and I was like, we could reject out of this and get some longs. Going 15 minutes. I realized that. Oh my god, hold on. Yeah, so there's this 4 hour unmitigated gap that I was kind of mainly targeting over here, and that was also aligned with London High. On the hourly, damn, I was like itching like a bitch. We had this unmitigated alley right here. I think I can do this, bro. I just like unmitigated hourly with equal highs. We had the London High as well. Also, what's it called? I marked these out in case we wanted to go down there and then reject off of it. Never came down there. On the 15 minute, and then I realized I was like, wait, hold on, wait a minute. Oh wait, I forgot, dude, I'm so bad at this. Holy shit. I also wanted to see us go lower into OTE if we did go over here, which would be even more ideal. But equilibrium on this whole ginormous range was already good enough of a rejection for bullish momentum. Now I can go on to the 15 minute. 15 minute, we had unmitigated 15 minute gaps right here, and I was like, okay, we either respect these and go lower, or we inverse all these 15 minute fair value gaps and get a continuation model to these targets up here, right? So I was like, that's like my condition or whatever, right? Anyways, boom, there was a 2 minute long at market open. This one right here, which boom, you can go break even at the 15 minute after all loads just gets taken out, and then aim for maybe whatever the fuck you want up here or some shit. But I'm not gonna hold you. If I would have took this, I probably would have got break even because it hit the 15 minute and then tapped into this and then it finally ran up. This was honestly one of the trades of the day. Like, this is probably the trade, but I would have got break even on it, to be honest. And it's actually low-key the best because like it kind of anticipates the whole move. But in my opinion, that was too risky for me. So I just didn't take that. Anyways, boom. Boom. I was like, okay, boom, we inverse all of these 15 minutes. We close through the 30 minute as well. 10 a.m. and I was like, okay, pretty obvious what I'm really looking for. I want some type of continuation model. We had this 5 minute down here, we had this 5 minute, none of them got hit. Closed 15 minutes later, and we gave a big old 15-minute fair value gap. That then also did not get hit yet. And I have two 15-minute fair value gaps, combine them and whatnot. And then we had unmitigated hourly above us, which was a line of unmitigated 15-minute, which was also, guess what, equal fucking highs. I don't know how the hell this thing lost, bro. Genuinely. I don't know how we didn't at least go to these equal highs. I was aiming for this, but I was aiming for the equal highs. That's my break even. So boom, we get that 15-minute retrace with an SMT as well, by the way. With an SMT, bro. Oh shit. I mean, you already see what the fuck happened, obviously. But boom with that SMT. And we lost. I'm not too mad about it. I was like, damn. Like, I ain't gonna lie, in the moment, I was like, something about this trade looks so iffy. I don't know why. I don't know, it's because like we're so high up, or like, I think that's what it was. Like, I don't know, it was just like, I don't know, something was iffy about it, which, I don't know. But like, it was super slow momentum, and out of nowhere, this decent volume candle of this buy side, this bullish IFEG or whatever. And it's funny because the next candles that came across came down faster than we came up. So I was like, that was completely fucked. Like, this is like a complete stop rate, bro. And yeah, kept dumping, took a loss. And then I noticed we could get another long right off this 1 minute right here. But here's the thing, there was a 2 minute, tiny little 2 minute right here, right? I was like, this is sketched as fuck too. I was gonna take the I was looking for re-entry, and this one didn't look too bad. But if you look, bro, like it hit the 2 minute, and it didn't close above. I was gonna take it if it did close above the 2 minute, and go break even at this 1 minute BPR, but that didn't happen, so I didn't take anything. And it saved me from loss. So thank God I saw that 2 minute right there. Very sketched. Boom, we finally hit equilibrium. Tap into this old 5 minute down here. And we don't give anything. I was gonna take this long as well if it gave it, to be honest. It just wasn't sexy, bro. Nothing was sexy. So, yeah. One loss. What the fuck? One loss today. Can't be too pissed. I'm not pissed at all. I think it was a good loss. I followed my rules. I did everything accordingly to what I was supposed to do and what I wanted in the first place. So guess what? I'm fucking chilling, nigga. Oh. Damn, that's a good ass fucking stretch. But yeah, other than that, yeah, I think honestly it was a good loss. I mean, bias wise, maybe I could, you know what I'm saying, do a little bit of something, but I don't think it's anything too crazy. I lied. Low key, there was an unmitigated 1 hour above us. No, wait, hold on. That makes no sense. Never mind. I mean, I don't know. I mean, overall, maybe because I'm going against the higher time frame bias. Because we already did hit this on ES. And higher time frame bias is bearish. That's like the only reason I think I could. This was like a loss, but bro. And we're pretty high up already. Yeah, I mean, that's the only reason I see I could like loss for real. I don't see much else. Going against a high time frame bias. I mean, you could fucking say the same thing about that 2 minutes long though, so I don't know. You had to equal highs, I don't know. I don't think it's bad at all. Like I thought, like it didn't even at least get break even, bro. But yeah, that's it. Good loss in my books.